Hey everyone, Dr. Rodney White here with week 7 of how to prevent back pain and how to avoid a chiropractor. So this one goes out to all the smokers out there. I know that I can't just tell you to stop smoking, because if you knew how to do that, you'd probably have already done it. But here's why smoking contributes to back pain. We know there's all the other health issues involved with it, increases cancer in many different ways and things like that. But smoking creates a lot of inflammation in the body. I mean, anything when you're inhaling or eating or consuming or any kind of chemical into the body can potentially cause a lot of inflammation. But there's some chemicals in cigarettes especially that are extremely harsh on the body, benzenes being one of them. And all of these chemicals create a lot of inflammation. And when we're inflamed, we're obviously going to have more pain and more damage when we do irritate areas. Smoking also causes our blood vessels to constrict and tighten down, which means there's less blood supply going to all our tissues. So in the spine, for example, the discs that sit between every vertebra, those things do not have great blood supply anyway. That's why almost everyone knows someone who's had at least a slipped disc injury. It's probably the most common spinal surgery that's done too, is disc issues. And it's because discs don't heal well anyway. So if you cut down an already poor blood supply, then those things are never going to heal. So if you're a smoker and you irritate anywhere in your spine, but especially a disc, it's just going to keep repetitively getting injured because it never heals properly. Smoking also causes all the ligaments and connective tissues like muscles to tighten, so you're going to get very stiff in your spine. Stiff doesn't automatically equal pain, but it does mean you're more likely to injure yourself because you lose the flexibility. So you can see where just those two things alone, it's crazy how much more back pain you're going to have if you're a smoker. So obviously ideal is to stop smoking, but I'm not naive enough to think it's that easy. So if you can't stop, at least cut down. But one little tip that can really help you is start consuming broccoli sprouts. Broccoli, not so much. I mean, that helps as well, but broccoli sprouts are extremely high in a product called, or a chemical called sulforaphane. This chemical basically binds to all the benzenes and helps your body excrete them at a much faster rate. So you're going to cut down on a lot of the bodily damage, not just in the spine and the blood vessels, but also where cancer is caused and things like that. The broccoli sprouts are going to help cut down on a lot of that damage. So if you can't stop smoking and you're sick of having back pain, or you don't want to get any other issues, start adding the broccoli sprouts. And in a few weeks, look out for our video where we actually show you how you can even seed them and sprout them yourself at home, and you have a limitless supply. So please share this content with everyone who needs to see it. And if you need us to come and ever speak or present to your work team or anything like that, anything to do with health, stress, anything like that at all, just reach out to us and we'll get something booked on the schedule. Have a great day.